The Beam Alliance central vacuum system is the most modern power unit we have to offer at Amherst Alarm. Unlike other power units sold, these have an LCD display to control your central vacuum system. This screen shows different symbols to show the status of your system. Sometimes the letters ER followed by a number may light up. These are different error codes and will need an authorized Amherst Alarm technician to repair. Here are those symbols and what they mean. ER1 means the system is under current. ER2 means the system short-circuited due to overcurrent. ER3 means the vacuum will time out for about 30 minutes or so. ER4 means there is an excess current running through your system. ER5 means the system has no current or a different line error.